Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you navigate the sea of products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Holystone HS720, and on the right, we've got the Gleesfun G11MINI. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the one thing that makes us all cry: price. Holystone HS720 is priced at $249. Not bad, right? But then there's the Gleesfun G11MINI, coming in at a whopping $299. For that price, it better come with a personal butler to fly it for me. Next, let's talk about what really matters: camera quality. Holystone HS720 boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. That's right, no more shaky videos that look like they were filmed during an earthquake. On the other hand, Gleesfun G11MINI also offers 4K UHD, but with a 120 degrees FOV and vertical adjustability from 0 degrees to -90 degrees. Basically, you can film your neighbor's cat from your window without getting caught. Creepy? Maybe. Useful? Absolutely. Now, let's see how long these bad boys can stay up in the air. Holystone HS720 gives you 52 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. Impressive, right? Well, hold on to your propellers, because the Gleesfun G11MINI gives you a full 60 minutes. That's like an entire episode of your favorite TV show. Just don't crash it while binge watching. Alright, let's check out the GPS features, because let's face it, we all need a little help finding our way home sometimes. Holystone HS720 has GPS-assisted intelligent flight. It's like having a drone that's smarter than your average teenager. It follows you, returns home when the battery is low, and even flies along a set path. Meanwhile, the Gleesfun G11MINI has smart GPS drone features, including follow mode, circle mode, and waypoint mode. It's like having a drone that can do yoga, flexible, and always finding its center. Last but not least, let's see how easy these drones are to use. Because nobody wants to read a 500-page manual just to get a drone off the ground. Holystone HS720 is all about simple operation. With multi-sensors, optical flow positioning, and 1 kill start/stop, even your grandma could fly this thing. On the flip side, Gleesfun G11MINI is marketed as perfect for beginners. It's got auto takeoff, landing, and return to home features. Basically, if you can operate a toaster, you can operate this drone. Just don't try to toast bread with it. Reviewers have had a lot to say about these drones. The Holystone HS720 is praised for its solid build, ease of use, and impressive GPS features, although some find the battery life lacking. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI is noted for its advanced features, high-quality photos and videos, and ease of use, despite some difficulties in windy conditions. So there you have it, folks. Both drones have their strengths and weaknesses, but at the end of the day, it all depends on what you value more. Is it price, camera quality, flight time, GPS features, or ease of use? Let us know in the comments below which drone you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying guides. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.